Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. Just wanted to come back to you guys with Six Figure Stamp Club, an awesome direct mail program, guys, okay? You don't have to speak to anybody. Typically, if you're just doing offline marketing, you're going to mail either letters or postcards, okay? What Six Figure Stamp Club product is direct mail leads, okay? These are leads. These are people that's interested in making money from home. They've actually waved their hand and say, hey, I'm interested, send me some information, okay? So we're able to become a reseller of these leads. We get a discount because we're a member of the club, the Six Figure Stamp Club, okay? Because we are a member, we get a discount, okay? So we're able to get them at a great cost. Now, however, if you decide you don't want to really be a member of the club, you just want to get the leads we have, I can sell you the leads, okay? That's not a problem. But if you want to be a member, buy leads at a discount, and have an income stream with it. There's 4 income streams, okay? You can receive $50 commissions, $150 commissions, $300 commissions, and $1,000 commissions, okay? Just by simply referring people to be a member of the club. They pick one of the 4 memberships. There's only 4 memberships, okay? And they're in, okay? We have an online presence now, so you have a website, you have a back office, so you can track all your sales. Now, this is the new sales letter I want to show you real quick, okay? I've printed it out, and you can see it's 2 pages. It looks different than the other one. I already have my website on there, Mail Order Freedom Club, okay? We'll put the link below. The difference in this one, guys, you're going to have to create your account. Click my link below, create your account, and get my letter. You decide which level you want to come in at, okay? I'm at the pearl level, so once you go and create the account, you're going to see 4 letters, red, black, red, blue, black, and pearl. So you just click on the level you want to join at, and that order form will come up for you. You're going to print 3 copies of that, send me my portion. All the instructions will be at the bottom of the order form, okay? So you'll pay me, you pay my sponsor, and you pay the company. You'll just follow the instructions, okay? It's going to be really simple. But this is the new sales letter. And you can do front and back. That way you can put it on the front and put it on the back and just save your paper, okay? Just fold it, put your cover letter in it, and I have customized envelopes that I can refer to you if you want to do the letters. I had created my own postcard before they came out with the postcards that you can order online once you become a member. But this is the one I'm going to use, okay? My customized postcard, okay? And we sell leads, okay? They'll come in a package like this, okay? And they'll peel and stick labels, guys. So we're going to just peel these off and put them on our envelopes, or we're going to put them on the postcards and mail them out. And if people are interested, we send them to our website. They join and they pay us directly. There's no middleman. You pay directly from your members, okay? So that's what I like about the program. Now, what I'm going to show you real quick is some quick results. And I'll put the link below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, okay? So real quick, I'm going to show you some packages I got in the mail. I've got 4 packages, okay? Now, I'm also in the 30-day success formula, and I'm not going to show those I'm not going to open those packages if that's what these are, okay? So you'll know. But 4 packages. So the first one here is from George. Welcome aboard, George. George is in one of my other programs. So I'm going to open his envelope. I know what this one is. He's going to join me. He's in 30 day, and he's joining me in Six Figure Stamp Club because it makes sense. It's a no-brainer. You get the leads. Okay, this is going to be the red level. Welcome aboard, George. Red level, guys, is $50. So George sent in a book of stamps for me, and he sent me $50. Okay. All right. So let's see what this next one is. All right. This is from Linda. Okay. I haven't spoken to Linda, so let's see what this one is. This was taped up so good, so I'm going to have to tear it. Okay. Alright. This is from Linda. Alright. There you go. looking for something easy, guys, and not have to worry about online marketing, zero internet marketing, this is the one for you. Okay, this is for 30 days. So we'll put that over there. Okay. Okay. But either way, welcome aboard, Linda. Okay, this one's from LaToya. Alright, let's see what this one is. Wow. This was really wrapped up good too, guys. That's what you want to do. Wrap it up really good. Okay, this is from the other program, so I can't show you that one. Okay. So the fourth package. Oh, this is from my buddy Cal. Welcome aboard, Cal. This is, I know this is from the Stamp Club because Cal and I spoke. He's coming in at the pearl level. I already know this. Welcome aboard, Cal. I've already added you in the group. In both groups. So he's looking forward to crushing it. So let's get Cal's out here. He has it wrapped very well. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Wow, guys. This is the pearl level, guys. So this should be 1,000 bucks here. Okay. This is real live and in color. Okay. I don't want to show information here, so I'm going to fold this up down here. So this is what the order form looks like. When you print it off from my website, you'll see right here where he checked off pearl. Okay. The order form, see, pearl. Okay. It's a pearl. Welcome aboard, Kyle. Alright, let's see, guys. All my stamps. Look at all this. This is insane, right? Look at all these free stamps. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1,000 bucks, guys. The pearl level. Okay, then all these stamps. And then my red level from George. 1,050 bucks. Okay, so who's ready? Who's ready to join me in the Six Figure Stamp Club, guys? Click the link below, get started. Let me get you going as well in the program and show you how I'm doing this. I've been in direct mail since 2013 successfully and been working from home since 2015, okay? So make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, click the notification bell so you can be notified, okay, whenever I upload new videos, guys. I look forward to working with you. Go ahead and create your account right now. Get started. I'm going to match. So Kyle is also going to get 1,000 leads. The company is going to mail him 1,000 leads at the pearl level, and I'm going to match him 1,000. So look at all these stamps. Wow. Is that crazy? Look at all these stamps. Stamps and cash and leads, guys. That's the business we're in. See you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.